Let's be honest. Some of us are in a toxic relationship. And no, I'm not talking about that ex who still watches your Instagram stories. I'm talking about our cell phone. You know how we do. It's the first thing we see and reach for when we wake up, and it's the last thing we see before bed. And somewhere in between, it's been in our hand, our pocket, or our bra. I'm just saying. Did you know that the average person checks their phone 344 times a day? That's once every 4 minutes. And if you're thinking, no, not me, I challenge you. How many times have you reached for your phone in the last hour? Go ahead, count it up. I'll wait. I'm speaking to myself as well, so... We've become so connected to our phones that we're disconnected from everything else, our families, our hobbies, and sometimes even our own sanity and own well-being. Let's try something for a moment. Hold up your phone, if it's within arm's reach right now. Now, keep it up if you've checked it during this video so far, or if you've even thought about it. Be honest. And yes, I realize that some of us are using our cell phone right now to even watch this video, but that's a whole different battle plan. Until recording this particular battle plan, to be honest, it hadn't even clicked with me that I had brought my phone into the studio every single time. And so here's the thing, our phone isn't the enemy. It's not plotting against us, but let's be clear, it's been designed to be very addictive. Every ding, every little notification, every swipe is engineered to keep us hooked. And if you don't believe me, just think about the last time you left your phone in another room. Did you suddenly feel like something was off? Or what about this? Have you ever left the house without your phone, and when you realized it, you turn all the way back around and go back home and get it because you can't imagine being gone and not have it? Yeah. So I'm not saying we need to go full detox and get rid of our phones, but we do need to set boundaries, because here's the truth. You can't be present in your life if you're always connected to your phone. It's like being at dinner with someone who's on their phone the whole time. I mean, ask yourself, are you that someone? All right, so let's get practical and do some things together. Here are a few ideas to detox from tech without hyperventilating. The first one is to grab your phone, open up your settings, and create a do not disturb time. Whew, this is one that I've done already, and it does make a difference. How about also setting a designated time during the day, and you just stick it in the drawer so that out of sight might prompt out of mind? What about no phones at meals? Unless we're photographing our food, do we really need to be taking out our phones when we're eating? Here's another one that can make a huge difference. I call it the bedroom ban. What this means is not letting our phone take center stage in our bedroom. Charge it somewhere else overnight. Sleep is not the only thing our phones can disrupt in our bedroom. And this is one that I'm going to be working on, charging it elsewhere. And last but not least, how about doing an app audit? Go through all the apps on your phone and ask yourself, is this app adding value to my life? And if the answer is no, delete it. Which one or more of these boundaries will you put in place over the next 7 days? Whatever it is, write it down, commit to it, and see how it feels. Because here's the bottom line. Our phone is a tool. It's not our boss, not our therapist, and definitely not our best friend. We manage our phone. Our phone does not manage us. We call the shots. We are in charge. Call, charge. See what I did there? So go ahead. Set that boundary, stash the phone, and give yourself permission to actually live your life instead of just scrolling through it. That's it for now. I'll see you next week for Battle Plan 17, putting you first. Until then, be well.